Okay, note to self, make sure you have a license plate on before you go to take off. Okay, on this part, I was getting a little more sound, wind noise than I anticipated, so I blocked it off. But the acceleration is really, really good. Leaning, cornering, the apex on the tires makes it almost too nimble. It's super light on the tires. The braking works really well. More than that, it's almost effortless to drive. The acceleration is extremely smooth. The shifting is smooth. Downshifting is smooth. Overall, it's a pretty quiet bike with a stock muffler on it. Overall, thoroughly excited about the bike.